Pagdating ko, i-feel ko kaagad yung
Ikot
floor.
agad.
Paglapag pa lang ng place.
Paglapag pa lang.
Tornado ano ha?
Tornado. Pag yan
Mars,
trompo.
baka patamblingin mo
Ay, hindi ka para kay Bella na ata yung ballerina, ballerina
Hindi
third.
tatambling ka din daw with card.
Okay, ikot.
Parang ayaw ko yung kasi
Hello.
Okay. Hi, kanina you're highlighting being a probinsyana coming to Miss Universe. Ano yung advantage ng pagiging probinsyana joining Miss Universe?
I think because sanay kami sa mga walang tulugan, sa mahirap na arrangement, sa kagutuman, or, just dealing with other people. In a lot of our activities, there are times na talaga, lahat stress. Minsan yung iba medyo maldita na, or medyo, ay, di naman maldita yung candidates. Yung may mga, ito maldita, I take that back. Oh, parang medyo ano na sila.
Expert.
Okay.
Hindi, tsaka
Okay.
even the media nagkakaroon naman ng moment sa ganun.
Oo,
It's
siguro-
not maldita.
Yung term, it's not maldita, I take back that term. Paano ba yun? Irritable.
Irritable.
Or
Irritable.
mood swings.
Sorry, hindi kasi ako Tagalog. Mga nagkakahirapan. Irritable na. Kasi walang tulog, minsan gutom pa, minsan
Kami,
nga.
pag nagutom ni
Oh,
Pedro,
diba?
die.
Ganun din ako sa ka-assistant ko. Pag talagang pagod na, minsan irritable, konting na lang, medyo
Pipitik.
Yes, pipitik na. Pero a lot of the girls, talagang I give them the credit kasi ang haba ng pasensya. I'm also giving credits to a lot of girls na yung mga sobrang energetic, yung mga bata. Kasi they're like always doing TikToks or just running around, smiling, and saying hi to everybody. It's very contagious, And sa pagdating doon, asa na nga ako?
Pagdating doon.
Sa nagtitiktok.
Energetic sila.
So nagiging energetic sila. So nakakahawa na din sila for me. And it's just an amazing environment na talagang we have to adjust all the time. And ayun nga, I really hope na hindi maldita na term. I don't want that to come out. Irritable, yun, ayun. So yun lang.
Uy, wait lang, tatanong ko na ba ito? Kaya patanong ko si Mother Air.
Wait na. Ano ba to?
Sige, ito na
Ano
lang.
ba to?
Okay, next question is, what do you think is the qualities that the Miss Universe organization this year is looking for?
Organization is looking for. I think you have to be a total package of a good person. Importante yun in every organization. Dapat you can, how do I say this? You're easy to work with. The schedules are demanding, and a lot of things should be dealt with. You have to work with designers, makeup artists in the future. And this is how I look at it in the international stage. And you have to be someone who is easy to deal with. Yung parang open-minded, and at the same time, you also should have your own stand.
In your own
Yeah, and your own stand in your own way. Ano ba to? Hello. Ayun. Oh, ayun. Tapos, aside from that person should also be knowledgeable. Hindi pwede na we are dependent on what our Q&A would teach us. We have to read, We also have to learn about the things that is happening around us, and at the same time be knowledgeable about arrangements in the organization. Kailangan matuto tayong paano makipag-usap sa clients. I'm considering sponsors as clients, You also have to learn how to speak with the staff and other people. Kasi I do understand that you have to be genuine, right? But at the same time, you have to be professional. Iba yun, genuine and professionalism. You can be genuine without stepping on other people's foot by being professional. And then, I think the physical aspect, all the girls are very beautiful. They are very unique. I see beauty as a variety. Hindi ibig sabihin na ganito lang yung maganda. Siya lang yung nakikita ko maganda. I genuinely see every girl as beautiful because every look is different, It's very unique. Depende lang kung ano ang kailangan ng organization. I guess you just have to improve yourself. You have to look your best. You have to look healthy. You know, you have to be fit. But at the same time, you have to have a good skin because you have sponsors that are, you know, skincare products, health products. So kailangan, you have to be, you know, the best, how do I say this, model that they could use. Because Miss Universe is a business. And you get this opportunity to work with them, you know, with brands, but they also have to be, you should be able to also provide the services that they need. So good one. Thank you.
Alright? Sige.
Sure, follow-up lang. Ang tawag nun, syempre ngayon yung Miss Universe na ngayon kasi half of it yata is voting, tama ba?
Yes.
Half is voting.
Uh-huh.
So, would you also as a candidate invest in voting aside from competing in the other categories?
I really wish I had the finances to do that. Yeah, I mean, we all want to win. Di ba? Kung meron lang sanang resources na buboto ako ng marami and then I will also invest in my wardrobe and my team, I would definitely do that. But honestly speaking, I don't have the luxury. And for me, my priority is just performing really well. Doing really well, looking my best, and, you know, satisfying my fans at least, or the media na maganda naman yung appearances ko sa mga bawat labas namin. Kasi at the end of the day, after the Miss Universe journey, what I would remember are the pictures that you guys would take. You know, the comments of other people, and I want it to be something good. I remember nung ibang pageants, parang marami kasing time na a lot of people would say, you should have won, you know? And it's better that people would say, oh, you should have won, but you know, this happened. Pero, kesa sabihin nila, you won, but I'm not really sure why she won. I don't want that kind of like comment. So I would rather look my best, look like that I'm deserving, rather than win a crown and look like I don't deserve it. Ganun.
Yes, sige. Guys, cellphone na. Wait, magtatanong ito si Mother.
ano po mo? Sige. Sige. Tapos dear, get your voucher.
Wala nang mute na yung
Wala
mic.
na, sir. Paano na?
Ayan.
What is your mantra every day? May napapalapit na information. Keep your positive minds and confidence intact.
Okay, this is something I learned from my partner. Yeah, he keeps telling me that every day. You are beautiful and you are capable. Yeah, you are capable like every other girl. So I keep telling myself that. Kasi sometimes insecurity comes in, right? So when you go to an event, and then sometimes you look like, oh, they look better than me, their hair is better than me, their makeup is better than me, and then you doubt yourself, am I really beautiful? It's really, it's real. I'm sure you guys also feel that too, like when you get into like an event and then you question yourself. But then I always remember that I am beautiful too. You know, I am beautiful too. My features are unique. It may not cater to everybody's opinion or standards, but it doesn't mean I'm not beautiful. And other girls may be ahead of me, not because they are better than me, but because they are just like early, nauna sila, or it's just their time. It doesn't mean that I don't have my time. I will have my time, and I'm just gonna wait for that time. Thank you.
Time. So, but upon seeing a lot of pages, you're always topping the close-up swimsuit and the long gown. They're always on the top of their pages. But now, also the fact of they're also competing with the other famous candidates over, di ba? Medyo madami po sila. Siguro nagpa-10. So, what are you now afraid of joining Miss Universe Philippines?
Sa totoo lang talaga, my fear is regret. Yun lang. The journey is very long, and I have to deal with a lot of things at the same time. And sometimes I overlook certain things kasi nabibisi ako sa schedule, and regretting like making wrong choices or insufficient choices would be like yung fear ko. I like I mentioned earlier, I don't really try to compare myself to the other girls. They are their own person, I am my own person. And I always say, kailangan mas better ang performance ko ngayon kaysa sa other pageants ko. Yun lang yung comparison ko. I have to grow, and I have to be better and better than what I was in the past. And yung regret ko is baka because I'm being too stingy with the budget, or I'm being too lazy, or I'm being too lenient on myself, baka I cannot give what I should have given. And that's my only fear.
You just had your birthday parang ilang araw lang ago, di ba? So, is winning Miss Universe in Philippines top of your list wish? Or do you have any wish rather than that?
Of course, I think it's really on top of my list to win a crown in the Miss Universe, and it would be such an amazing thing to be in my 30s and to have a crown from Miss Universe. But at the same time, I also feel like my greatest wish would just be to look my best. Yung paulit-ulit na ako sinasabi. Gusto ko lang talaga to make the people who believe in me be happy, be satisfied, and makita yung sarili ko na nag-improve talaga ako. But I would really appreciate, hello Miss Universe organization, I would definitely appreciate you guys giving me a chance to, represent the Philippines in the international stage. Because if you give me a chance, I will definitely make it worth it. I promise that.
Oh, right? Oh, sige. Okay. Crystal?
Yes.
Okay, cellphones?
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Wait. Okay. One, two. Crystal, in 30 seconds, why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I believe that I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I work hard for it. I believe that I am capable and that I can showcase what a true Filipina is without forgetting where she came from, but bringing it into the international stage. Thank you.
Oh! Sample intro.
Short but
15 seconds yun.
Yeah.
Sample intro. Crystal, sample intro naman. Lalo nakatayo.
Nakatayo.
Yes.
Rampahan mo naman kami yung
Oo,
simula.
ramp. Papunta dito. Ramp, tapos wait.